problem number 66 from homework 2.5 day 1. And here we're asked about the transformation of the parent function f of x equals x squared. And the transformations that we're doing are we're moving something, the graph 6 units to the right, 3 units up, and we're reflecting it in the x-axis. So let's see how each of these transformation affects the equation of our function. And after we do that, we'll see if this point, negative 219, actually lies on the transform function. So I'm going to call the transform function g of x, and I'm going to write it relative to the function x squared. So if I move this graph 6 units to the right, that means that I have to replace x with x minus 6. That will move the graph 6 units to the right. So I have x minus 6 squared. If I want to move my graph up 3 units, I'm going to add 3 outside the x squared part of the function, the parent function. And if I want to reflect it in the x-axis, that means I have to put a negative out in front. That will be changing the sign of y, which will reflect my graph in the x-axis. So this is my new transform function. And let's see, when I have an input of negative 2, what my output will be. And if it's 19, then this will be true. And if it's not 19, it won't be true. So I'm going to substitute negative 2 in for x, and I'm going to see what I get. So it's the opposite of negative 8 squared plus 3, which is equal to the opposite of 64 plus 3, which is negative 61, which means that the point negative 2, negative 61 is on the graph of the transform function. Not the point negative 219. So this is actually, this is going to be false. It's not true.